Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor in Monument Realty in Rockwall. We have a very special class for you. This is being provided to you by Truly Title. It's a private event and it's $100K annually with your Google business profile. This is a hands-on workshop, so definitely bring your laptops, bring your tablets. Be ready to apply this to your business on May 22nd from 12 to 2 during the lunch and learn. It's going to be offered at your office in Rockwall. And the true power of Google 100K. I actually need to change the title to Google 300K because I've got a lot of business owners, a lot of real estate agents out there that are making over $300,000 annually from this free setup within the Google business world. So come in, learn all about it. It's $20 to attend. You're going to earn 2 hours of Trek CE credit as well. If you want to join us by Zoom, you can join us. It's an extra $5 via Zoom. So we want you there in the training room ready to learn. And then if you'd also like to get a copy of the recording, it's an extra $10. But I will see you guys in Rockwall on May 22nd from 12 to 2. Thanks.